Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Goat Simulator 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Goat Simulator 3 on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, in order to customize and optimize your graphics, click on the settings option. This will now take you into the settings page, from which you can click on graphics at the top side. Here you can now use the auto detect option, which will automatically detect the graphic settings that are best for your device. You can also choose whether you want to put more weight on the CPU or GPU while doing the auto detect option. After choosing your desired option, click on the Do It button, and this will now detect the best settings for your device. If you notice any screen tears, make sure to turn on VSync as well, and you can choose your screen mode from the drop-down menu. You may choose to limit your frame rate if you wish, or you can set it to unlimited by turning it off. You can also define your FPS limit by using the slider underneath. Now, within the advanced settings, you can first try using the Epic or the High preset for all of the options. Now, once you use the highest available preset, make sure to apply your changes by clicking on the Apply button, and you may manually change the motion blur options, which is not affected by the overall quality slider. After applying your changes, you can now go back into the main menu and start playing using your current settings. If you notice any issues or the game is not performing as well, then you can once again go back into the settings page, and from the graphics window, you can redefine your settings by lowering the overall quality or the individual presets by one step. By following this process, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your device within this game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Goat Simulator 3 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.